Hey guys, it's Sterling W. I got myself a new scissor jack and I'm gonna go ahead and review it and do an unboxing and stuff and use it, of course. Now, most new cars don't have scissor jacks. That's why I decided to buy a new scissor jack for my car. The reason why I got this one was because it has a 17 millimeter net on the side, as well as the top has, the top is actually meant for the pinch weld stuff, which I really do like. Now, if your car doesn't have that, then you probably want to get a different version of this, but it does come with a ratcheting wrench, which is really long and it has good leverage and it's very lightweight. This is a 2 ton, well, what it says 2T on it, and it also has a 17 millimeter net on the side, so you could basically use a 17 millimeter wrench to do this. So it's pretty cool. As you can see this on the details here, it is like a scissor jack. I don't think that's any different. It looks just like my other scissor jacks. I do like the top, and the bottom is actually about 5 inches for the base, which is pretty cool. Pretty standard, I guess. But at the same time, it works pretty well. I used their the 17 millimeter ratcheting wrench that came with, and it's pretty long, so it has good leverage. I basically was able to lift up my tire like probably less than 5 minutes. It's pretty simple, good leverage, and it works pretty well. Now, this is a scissor jack, so you're supposed to use it for like emergency purposes or whatever. But I've been using scissor jacks to do tire rotations in my car pretty often. I also have a floor jack as well, but I don't want to really roll out that large floor jack. And it's pretty quick to just quickly lift up both sides with 2 jacks. You could also use it to basically put jack stands on, which is a lot safer as well. And of course, it works to use a floor jack like how I usually do it. But with the impact wrench, it makes the job really easy and simple. So having the impact wrench and having multiple jacks is actually very, very cool. Having more scissor jacks is really useful too, because you can always put this in your car and use it for emergencies. And of course, always if you're doing a tire rotation, always torque your lug nuts to back to spec. Anyways, guys, this is Tony W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.